What's up, guys? It's new car day. Alright, guys, so what's up? This is the new car I picked up. It's a 5-speed, 1.8 turbo, Volkswagen, Passat wagon. It's lowered on Raceland Altimos with BBS wows. It's got a stage 1 tune, motor, no bolt-ons, just completely stock when it comes to anything besides coilovers and wheels. 167K. I picked it up for I picked it up for $3,165 after dealer taxes. And it's fucking stanced. It is so stanced. Go at the inside. Tan interior. It's got the classic, these little things missing from the Volkswagen radio. Those always end up going missing. Shift boop's kind of beat. Probably get a new one. Definitely needs a clean. It's kind of hot out today though, so I'm not gonna really fuck with it, but yeah, I'll do a little time lapse with some music behind it and show you guys the car.